you tired thing. The motor sounds pretty rough, and I know exactly what it is, but I can't fix it. The cord wind is completely broken. The spring in it was all broke, so now it doesn't wind, and you gotta wrap it around the machine. I did repair this. The Regency's vinyl hose was actually terrible, so I just pulled the stuff off of it, and I'll just use this because this is a whole hell of a lot better than the power nozzle it has, but it's old, it's tired. Oh, and yes, this vinyl hose is actually fine. Forgive that little tag that just got caught in here. Like I said, it's old and it's tired, but it just keeps on trucking because it's an Electrolux and it's immortal.